दुपट्टा बताना मेरे को विकास कुछ होता है इधर उधर तो. We'll break and show you. It's so soft and juicy inside and it's looking really yummy. Hey guys, Ganpati and other festivals are coming up, so I thought to share this very quick, easy and superb looking coconut laddus, and this will get ready in just 10 minutes, so you'll get time to do other preparations for this festival. And trust me guys, it comes out so soft and moist within that it will just melt in your mouth. You should definitely give this a try. So let's get on to the recipe. To prepare these yummylicious coconut laddus, in a pan or kadai, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. Let it melt, and now keeping the flame on lowest, we'll add in 3 cups of desiccated coconut. So I'm using these measurement cups to measure 3 cups of desiccated coconut, which is around 150 grams. And now we'll start roasting the coconut over low flame only until it becomes slightly fragrant and well toasted. So keep mixing it, else it will easily get burned at the bottom of the pan, which you don't want. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes, but do not increase the flame. So today I'm using this desiccated coconut and I'm toasting it, but if you want you can also use the freshly grated or scraped coconut without the skin, and in that case you can simply toast it just for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now it's toasted enough. I can get that aroma of ghee and toasted coconut in my house. Do not toast it for long, else it will change its color. To this I am going to add in half a cup of milk. This is boiled whole milk, along with half a cup of fresh cream. This is Amul cream. You can also use homemade cream for this. Keep mixing it and cooking it for a while over low to medium flame, allowing the desiccated coconut to cook nicely with the milk and the cream and becoming soft, just like the fresh coconut. So here I've used half a cup of milk and half a cup of fresh cream, but if you want you can totally use 1 cup of milk for this also if you don't have fresh cream handy. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes over low to medium flame or until the coconut is completely cooked with the milk and cream and becomes soft, and relatively it should be dry, absorbing all its flavor. And if there are any lumps in between, you can keep breaking it. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, this is how it looks. The milk is completely dried and it's absorbed by the coconut. Next I'm adding 1 cup of sugar and again mix it for some more time until the sugar is completely dissolved in it, and soon you'll see the sugar leaving some water, which will make the desiccated coconut soft and sweet. So we'll wait for the sugar water to be nicely absorbed by the coconut. The sugar left some water initially, and that water is also absorbed nicely by the coconut. So here we'll add in 1/4 cup or around 4 tablespoons of milk powder. This is optional, but this will help in enhancing the sweetness as well as taste of the laddus, and it will also give a nice creamy texture to the laddus inside, just like khoya. So if you want you can also use khoya, and you can always adjust the sugar accordingly depending on what you are using. Mix it completely with the mixture. Now for flavoring, I'm adding half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. This is also optional, as a few people like their coconut laddus with that authentic taste of coconut. But today I'm using this cardamom powder as I personally like it. We'll cook it for some more time until you feel it has come to a good setting consistency or has left the sides of the pan. It should come to a good lumpy dough-like consistency, leaving the sides and bottom of the pan, but do not make it too dry, else you won't be able to roll it into roundels. So I'll show you with my hand. So now it has come to a good setting consistency. Do not cook it for long. We'll switch off the flame and then transfer it onto a plate to cool slightly enough to handle it. But do not let it cool completely, else you won't be able to form shapes out of it. And while it is still warm, we'll take in about 2 to 3 tablespoons full mixture and start making roundels out of it, depending on how much big or small laddus you want. So today I'm making these laddus, as making laddus is very easy, but if you want to make burfis out of it, Simply spread this mixture onto a greased thick tin or tiffin box, leave it to set, and then you can cut burfis out of it. But today, as I told you, I'm making ladoos. So this one ladoo is ready, and now I'm going to roll this into the extra desiccated coconut. Roll it nicely to completely coat on all the sides. If you want, you can double coat them also for that extra coconutty flavor on top and looks. So this is how it looks. Similarly, we'll prepare all of them. So this entire batch is ready of coconut ladoos. I have nicely coated them with some desiccated coconut. And now you can simply garnish it with some pistachio, almonds, or even raisins on top. Today I'm going to simply garnish it with the almond on top, and it looks really beautiful. And once they're cooled to room temperature, you can store these in any airtight container and use for almost a week. We'll break one and show you. It's really juicy and soft inside. And normally you won't find such moist ready-made ladoos in the market. So if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe to Kanak's Kitchen for more such festive recipes. Till then, take good care of yourself. Happy Ganesh Chaturti and bye-bye.